season. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Jay Simkovitz. Today I'm making chicken with rice with pasta sauce on top of it, which is going to taste amazing. The very first thing you want to do is set your temperature to 400 so you can make this yummy, delicious food that I'm about to show you what to do. What you're going to need for this is your drumsticks, your olive oil that's going to go on top of the drumsticks, your rice. I've already made rice from yesterday, so I'm just going to use it and fry it up again because it's great to do it this way. You need your pasta sauce. If you don't have homemade pasta sauce, just use out of a bottle, as I'm going to. And you're going to need your spices. Always remember, season. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the oil on your chicken. Now you want to add your seasoning. Okay, I'm going to put some cayenne pepper on there first for some added heat. And now the black peppercorn for the goodness, because it tastes amazing. Okay, now you got it this way. Now you're going to pop it in the oven. So here we go. We're going to stick it in the oven. Now you're going to set the timer for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Oh, a little too far. So now what you want to do is you want to cook your rice in here. So you're going to set your temperature to about 7. On this one, it's like medium high. You're going to dump in your olive oil. The last little bit you have, because you want to fry your rice up. Want to do is, since you have the rice already cooked and fried up, it doesn't have to look totally fried up because it then gets way too hard, but you have it fried enough that it looks good. You're going to add in your tomato sauce or your pasta sauce or whatever you want to call it. You're going to dump it into the rice because you want to mix it in there. You don't need a lot, but you just need enough so that it looks good, it tastes good. You're gonna mix it all up. There you go. You got your rice with your tomato sauce or your pasta sauce or whatever you want in there. Now that the timer has ended, we're gonna take our beautiful chicken out. Look at that beauty. So what you're going to do now is you're going to place some of this rice on the bottom of your plate. So it's like your bed of rice. Now we are going to place our chicken on top of the bed of rice. Just like that. Now you're going to add the rest of the rice that's left over in the pan on top of the chicken. Just like I said. Look at that. That looks good. Now I told you something you have to do all the time, which is called season. I'm using garlic salt to season my rice and my chicken some more because you want it to taste amazing. So you just sprinkle it on there. And garlic salt is an amazing thing you can use to make it look awesome. So here we go. Here's the rice. Oh my goodness, that is so good. And the pièce de résistance, the chicken. Nice and hot and crispy. So I hope you enjoyed watching Cooking with Jay and watching me make a delicious, awesome food that doesn't take very long. Yeah, it takes an hour and 15 minutes to cook the chicken, but other than that, it doesn't take very long to do everything. So if you enjoyed watching this, please subscribe below. Click the little red subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you can get the notification every time I upload a video, which is every day, 3 p.m. at Pacific Standard Time. So watch it accordingly to that time. Also, hit the thumbs up button, squash it, smash it, high five it, do whatever you have to. Just hit that thumbs up button because you are awesome, I'm awesome, and I make the most awesome, yummy food ever. Also, share this with your friends, family, and all your social medias. And comment below. If there's something you want me to do, please put it in the comments below. I will do it. Also, remember, you guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. You're one of a kind. You're beautiful. And thank you for being part of Cooking with Jay Simkowitz and for being part of Jay Squad. And most importantly, remember, be happy.